Who is the person making the remarks in that video?
This is the Speaker of County Assembly of Meru.
And you confirm this was during an Okolea program meeting?
Yes, in Mwangandia Ward, Mojo.
Who is the MCA Mwangandia Ward?
Is Mr. Njoki.
Mr. Njoki.
He was present.
You also are in the company of other people in that?
Those are all MCS.
Our MCS?
Yes.
What has the Speaker just done?
The Speaker has donated a goat because I usually give the single mothers and widows cows. And he says, because you've given and donated a cow and you are senior than me, let me donate a goat. And he has done it.
Thank you. Again, what date was this?
It is barely around 3 months ago.
3 months ago. Now, we have alluded to some forces that were behind, or rather that were not happy with this unity between you and MCAs. I want you to identify and tell us what is happening in the next video, 1D. Kindly, may we play video 1D?
MCA go karibisa ntora ya Bogeta East na mbuge wotwe on behalf ya ntoba Bogeta East na Abogeta West na wenzangu bare haja tucokerie nkatho nontu bwe kinya rire okinya oni mbigirwe ntomba kwithira nteja nontu rire okinya gatia kana kara kamumero kuringithia gagatia ipati yakwa na impuwa kweli imbati kweja kuona nontu ni pati ya maendeleo ndene ntura yetu. So ngabana we are so humble to gweretwe sana baju tuli MCA tuli MPIDU na ikio tumio kuona na arwa tutena manto maingi na arwa intukwe gokorea kana kamumero na mami umenye baju tuli MPIDU
na ndenda ugire ngabana tukamukaria na inya na ora kumbikika kendo mbako boli tranguki no ndo twamwagia thayo tukona inya ya twamwagitie thayo ateja gaguku na nande mbigirwe twiriro tukaria siasa ne nuje tumbokania rimo muntu ondu ukwoya maratasi nande kurantu bakamatete ile leta ubirana na ala mawa na ito abatumira Nairobi gutagera imbie tumicukari raitirie batagera imbie tumiogoti gukuongerwa gutokwaririo ogoti ingabana bakweja ubira mbesa ikwekwa senate counties ciongerwa mbesa ibaregere kuongera ndi baliuga ibejete kwa base ule base timbese ireko
ututu nyaku Madam Governor na okageta muntu ututu ogira tore no ngato ngora we ninto bya mero ara tomba kogera to abwitira ngoge iyo tomba kuchenja as long as Kawira mwangaso ninto bya mero oni ndakira mbuwe mato waambirani isa sawa na
we can post there.